All right, guys, so let's go over these answers. The first one said, from a sample of 350 SAT scores, a statistician wants to predict the standard deviation on the SAT for all students. It has those keywords from a sample, so you definitely want to use the sample standard deviation. In the second example, Ms. Legier wants to find the standard deviation of all seniors' GPAs in Connecticut. I'm not sure exactly how many seniors in high school there are in Connecticut, but I know there's no way Miss Legier could easily get all of that information. So she's going to take a sample, which means she should use the sample standard deviation. Number 3, Miss Pitkin wants to find the standard deviation of the GPAs of Metro's class of 2020. Since we're only talking about Metro's class of 2020, there's around 100 of you guys. She can use the population standard deviation. She has everyone in that population. And last, a university wants to determine the standard deviation of English 101 grades across its 25,000 students. That is a ton of students. They're definitely not going to be able to get to every single one of those students, so they're going to use a sample, which means they should use the sample standard deviation. That way, whatever number they get, it's correcting for the fact that they only, for instance, actually get the grades of half of those 25,000 students. So it makes the standard deviation a little bit larger, which means there's a larger acceptable range for the expected difference of the mean. Hope that helped, guys. Make sure you go use this calculator. That's how it works. You just copy and paste the values from the worksheet right into here. Click that button. And ta-da, you get your answer. Notice this was our answer here. This is why I rounded it. That's a whole bunch of numbers. You can round probably to 2 or 3 decimal places, and that will be plenty.